Passive income is the dream for so many people. It's not a simple, easy, or quick method. It is absolutely possible. It is not in and of itself a scam, and I'll explain how it works. However, it's very easy to get sucked into passive income scams because we all want to hear, yes, you can make money without doing work. You can have money coming in even when you're on vacation, when you're sleeping. Like, that sounds amazing. But a lot of times the way that people talk about passive income, and I saw this recently in a course that was like, we're going to teach you how to do courses and get passive income and build a funnel because passive income. And it's like, wait a minute, the funnel in and of itself doesn't create the passive income. There has to be a source of traffic. You can't do zero promotion and get to passive income. There's kind of a big misunderstanding. What's left out is that to create something that produces passive income takes a lot of upfront work. You need to build the system and the machine that produces that income before. So it's not a simple, easy, or quick method. You have to put a lot of work in upfront to make passive income work. The key to passive income is the funnel. You have to put a funnel in place. This is the machine. You're going to have a web page that has offerings, and people can come to that website and buy the offerings even when you aren't there. So that is the foundation of the income. But you still need to bring people to that web page. And you also have to do a lot of work to make sure that that web page is converting, which means that it's actually making sales, that people come to it and buy something. Or a more effective funnel is to not try to sell something immediately to what we call cold traffic, people who have never heard of you before coming to the web page. So that is when you offer something of great value in exchange for an email address and permission to contact someone. You build that list so that you can nurture that relationship, teach them more about who you are and what you stand for and what you offer, so that when they are ready, you are there to make the sale. And a lot of that is automated. So again, that's how it becomes passive, is you write these emails ahead of time that help to develop the relationship and teach people more about who you are and what you can help with, so that you don't have to do that over and over and over and over again. It just it makes it far more efficient, and it makes it so it's happening regardless of whether you're there or on vacation. And that's not a bad thing. If you're selling a really high ticket thing, you probably will need an in-person touch. But you can set up the funnel so that by the time people are calling you to find out about your services, they already know a lot about you. They've already built a lot of trust in you. They've seen the kind of professional that you are. A lot of times with passive income funnels, it is advertisements that bring people to that page. So you're putting money into ads that bring people to the page. The page is set up and optimized well for the right people to sign up for the email list, to get the emails, and to make purchases. You don't have to be part of that process once you get the ads really working, but that is challenging. Getting the ads to the right people and getting the right leads to the web page and getting the website so that it is converting well, like, those are all steps that you need help with usually. Those are all steps that require a lot of expertise and can be challenging to set up. The organic way to passively bring people to a website is SEO, search engine optimization. That means that if people are searching on a search engine like Google to solve this problem that you solve, then your website comes up. Fantastic. You don't have to be there. That is something the search engines are just going to bring people to your web page. The web page has been optimized to convert. The people get onto the email list. They get nurtured through the emails. They get made your offer. You make sales. Boom. Passive income. However, search engine optimization takes time to work. And you, again, need some expertise in knowing the right keywords to use, how to find keywords that are not so popular that you get drowned out, but still have a good amount of people searching for it each month, and the amount of time that it takes Google to crawl your website and to build trust with your website, it builds trust like human beings do. Know, like, and trust. That's called domain authority. That also takes time and sometimes some effort to build. If you want to learn more about using blogging to create good SEO to passively bring people to your funnel, I have a resource for you in the description. But again, blogging, not passive. It's fun, and eventually some of those posts will passively be bringing people in, but there's probably still going to be some amount of effort that you will be putting into bringing people to your funnel. When it comes to passive income, a lot of people will mention affiliate marketing. That is not in and of itself passive. Again, you still have to build the funnel and you still have to bring people to the funnel. It's just that instead of the funnel selling your own products, the funnel is going to sell other people's products and you get a commission on that. It can be great if you don't have a product or service yourself as of yet, or it can be a nice addition. That's what I use affiliate marketing for. I have partnerships with a lot of other people who are in this industry so that I can recommend, because I just do one thing. I build funnels. So you want social media marketing help? I've got somebody for you. You need help writing your book? I got somebody for you. You need help launching your book? I got somebody for you. So I've developed this network of partnerships so that I can help to support coaches, speakers, and authors fully while I just do the part that I'm good at. That is the way that I use affiliate marketing in my business. I recommend people and tools that will help you who do the things that I don't do.
But
it is not passive. I still have to tell you about it. I still have to recommend it. For example, I'm going to be recommending some blogging resources in the description. But this is not passive. I'm making a video. This is an active activity that then will bring you to a product or service or a funnel. That's the thing about passive income. So I hope that that makes sense. I think there's just so much hype around it and people don't understand how it works. So they just hear this magic word and think, okay, there's some secret key that if I could just find the right marketer to tell me this secret key, then boom, passive income and done. There's a lot of stuff out there that's really misleading about it. So what I want you to take away from this is that passive income is absolutely possible. It takes time to build up and it takes a lot of upfront work and effort.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
I will give you an example of my own passive income stream. I have only one that is completely passive and it does not make a lot of sales. If I put some promotion behind it, it would make more sales. It would be a good idea. But that is my romance novel that I published 12 years ago. And because of SEO, there are still people who are finding it today. And every month I make a couple of sales on that book, even though I don't talk about it, I don't advertise it, I don't promote it. That's an example of passive income at work. But it's not making millions. 12 years later, it's making like 15, 20 bucks a month. Yay, totally passive. But again, when people hear passive income stream, they're imagining that you have thousands and thousands of dollars pouring in without doing any work. And that's just not realistic. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is, but that doesn't mean that you should just dismiss passive income entirely, because it is possible, it is true, it's just not as magical as people hype it up to be. It's just a matter of setting up your website to be a selling machine and then bringing people to it. There are passive ways to bring people to it, but they are not simple or easy or fast. To learn exactly how to set up that machine on your website, go ahead and watch this video.